Need a new Gmail or Google account in 2026? Whether it's for work, school, or personal use, I'll show you exactly how to create one in just a couple of minutes. Let's get started. Open your web browser and go to accounts.google.com, click Create Account, then choose one of the options. I'm going to select for my personal use. Now enter your first name and last name. Then click Next. Now it will ask you to enter your birthday and gender. From the drop-down list, select your birth month. Then enter your date of birth and birth year. Select your gender from the list. And click Next. Now choose your username. This will become your Gmail address like yourname@gmail.com. I'm trying by typing How to Tech Hub to see if this available. Click Next. If your preferred username isn't available, Google will suggest other options, or you can create your own unique one. Since my preferred username is already taken by someone else, I just added YT at the end. Then click Next. Now it's asking for create a strong password. Type your password in the password field. And retype your password in the confirm field. Then click Next. Now Google will ask you to verify some info about your device or phone number. Switch to your phone and scan the QR code. After scan complete, tap Open in Browser button from the bottom. And tap Verify button. It will open Add Recovery Email field in the browser. You can also add a recovery email, although it's optional, but this is recommended, since adding a backup email address is very important to protect your account. You can use it to reset your password, get safety alerts, and get back in if you lose access. Now click Next. Click Next again. Review Google's privacy and terms. Scroll down and click I agree. That's it, your new Google account is now ready to use. Click Gmail. You can immediately access Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, Google Photos, Google Docs, and all other Google services. As you click Gmail from the home screen, it will immediately open your newly created Google account inbox. You can verify by clicking your profile icon from the top right corner. You can see your newly created Google account address here, and that's it. You now have your very own Google account. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to secure your Google account. So make sure to subscribe to How to Tech Hub and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.